Greetings to everyone. This is your host Ash Khan and you are watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. In today's bulletin,
10 COVID-19 vaccination centers set up in Karachi. The Sindh government has already earmarked funds to the tune of rupees 1.5 billion for the vaccine procurement. Sindh's health authorities on Monday set up 10 coronavirus vaccination centers in the 6 districts of Karachi. As per details, 3 vaccination centers have been set up in district center of Karachi, 2 in east and 2 in the south district of the metropolis. One each center has been established in West District. The Sindh Health Department has established at Jinnah Hospital, Aga Khan Hospital, Children Hospital Nagan, New Karachi, Sindh Government Qatar Hospital, Liaqtabad, Sindh Government Hospital, Karangi and Dow campus in Karachi. Meanwhile, vaccination centers have also been established in Badin, Larkana, Shahid Benazirabad and Sakhar. Trained staffs have been deployed at these centers equipped with all the necessary equipment and appliances including refrigerators. Government officially begins Hajj 2021 scheme. The Hajj scheme is expected to commence from Karachi, Lahore and Quetta. The individuals who intend to perform pilgrimage this year will have to deposit their Hajj dues at the certified bank branches before the payment deadline. The government of Pakistan has floated tenders for banks to submit applications to the Ministry of Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony to collect the Hajj dues. As per the regulations, the interested banks must have at least 250 branches across Pakistan in addition to online services at the tehsil level. The banks that intend to collect the dues from the aspirant pilgrims have been notified to submit their applications by 12 February 2021. To avail of the benefits, pilgrimage aspirants are advised to apply for the government's Hajj scheme. According to the official handout, the COVID-19 vaccinations and standard facilities for pilgrims are included in the package this year. PTA is planning to make off-net calls cheaper. By reviewing the mobile termination rate, the Pakistan Telecommunication Authority has hinted at making off-net calls even cheaper. According to official documents, the MTR is the amount that the receiving operator must charge when a call is made to another network. An MTR of 90 paisas per minute was determined in 2010 and no operator could charge less than it. Following in-depth deliberations, the PTA has reduced the MTR for all types of calls, local, long distance and international incoming terminated on mobile networks from other mobile networks or fixed networks from 90 paisas to 80 paisas from 1st January 2019. The rate was reduced further to 70 paisas in 2020. Due to the prevalent industry dynamics, there was a call by mobile operators for a reduction in the MTR and the PTA had accordingly asked all the stakeholders for their input for a revision. It is expected that the revised MTR will help to keep tariffs low for consumers and relieve them of high rates. Pakistan has secured 17.5 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine. Pakistan has secured 17 million doses of AstraZeneca coronavirus vaccine through COVAX in addition to the 0.5 million doses of Sinopharm's. Around 7 million of these doses will be made available by March, while the remaining will be received and distributed in second quarter of 2021. According to SAPM on Health, Dr. Faisal Sultan, the countrywide coronavirus vaccination campaign will kick off next week beginning with frontline healthcare workers. Dr. Faisal added that COVAX timely support and delivery of the coronavirus vaccine is a testament of global stakeholders' trust in Pakistan's preparedness for vaccine rollout. He expressed confidence in meeting the targets of the large-scale countrywide immunization campaign over the coming months this year. Earlier today, Dr. Faisal said that the first batch comprising of 0.5 million doses of Sinopharm vaccine has reached Pakistan. Pak Suzuki announces its 2021 first price hike. The prices of bikes by Pak Suzuki Motor Company Limited has been increased. The last price hike was announced back in November of 2020, whereby the prices of all bikes were bumped up by Rs 3,000. The time around, the maximum hike is up to Rs 4,000, which is for the GS150 base version and the GS150 SE. As for other bikes, the price of the GR150 went up by Rs 3,000 each, whereas no price increase has yet been announced for the GD110S. The new prices took effect from February 1st, 2021. It bears mentioning that the GS150 in both base variant and SE variant is the most popular bike in PSMC's two-wheelers lineup. The GR150 was launched back in December of 2017, and since then it has always had a mixed reaction from the enthusiasts, but the hefty price tag stands in the way of its popularity. The GD110S also suffers from the same problem. PSMC, much like its rivals, is also known to introduce multiple price hikes citing various reasons without improving the product lineup or quality.
Thank you for watching Consumer Pakistan News Channel. This is I, Ash Khan. See you in the next bulletin. Until then, take care and goodbye.